Hi there, welcome to footycards.com.au 2015 Honours box break. This is a new product just been released by Select, and with each box that you can purchase through footycards.com.au you get a 4-card promo set featuring 2 promo base cards and 1 card of Des Fothergill and 1 card of Matt Critters. So it's a sketch card and that's the Brownlow Gallery. So in this box there's 36 packs, and there's a few key cards we're after. Every box contains a signature. Brownlow signatures are numbered out of 200, and there's also what's called certified signatures. It's a slight variation of the draft signature cards previously. These are numbered out of 400, and what we're looking for is obviously one of those and maybe a Brownlow signature. So we'll get straight into it. Other cards are the Masters die cuts. There's 16 in the set for Series 1. So here we are here. There's no cards in there besides base cards. Pretty sticky cards. And the first insert for the box, Brownlow Gallery card of Carlton Brownlow Medalist Gordon Collins from 1940. And Franklin All Australian. These are inserted 1 in 9 packs. There's 4 of those per box. Quite a thick cards. They do look quite nice though. What we're seeing: Brownlow Medalist of Geelong, Bernie Smith, 1951. All Australian of Geelong captain, Joel Selleck. Sketch card, Geelong Brownlow Medalist Jimmy Bartell, 2007. Pack of comic cards. Australian, Aaron Sandilands, Fremantle Dockers, Ruckman. Hopefully we can get some nice Brownlow distinctions that are inserted 2 per box. Robert Harvey, Brownlow Medalist Gallery. Or some die cuts or an honour roll, which are numbered to 75, or a nice signature card. Right. Brownlow Gallery of Brad Hardy, 1985 Brownlow Medalist from the Western Bulldogs. Hayden Bunton, Victoria Brownlow Medals, Brownlow Gallery. And the medal winner, one a box inserted. There's 5 different ones. This is the bluest tail of the Rising Star. Other ones that you can get are Nat Critters, Franklin, Nat Fife. Commons. Brownlow Gallery are closed. Michael Shooter. Cards sticking together quite a lot here, so not just sort of sift through it as easily as you normally would. With a pack of face cards. Okay, we've got something here. Keith Brieger, Brownlow Distinction. 200. Another pack of face cards. Another pack of face cards. Hopefully all the good cards are coming up. Pack of face. So yes, hopefully you can get an honour roll, number to 75 or something pretty cool like that. Harry Collier, Brownlow Gallery. Collingwood Brownlow Medalist. So the Brownlow Galleries are 1 in 3 packs. So quite plentiful, you get a dozen of those per box. Brownlow Distinctions of Carlton. John James, 161 Brownlow Medalist. Numbered out of 200. Card is 166. Another Keith Green card. This one the sketch card, 1974. Brownlow Gallery, Greg Williams. So we've pulled out 2 distinctions. We're still looking for at least 1 signature card. And I think a couple more sketches at this point. And we've got a signature coming up here. It's from the Blues. It's Sam Doherty. Originally was drafted by the Lions and since been traded to Carlton. Vaughan Smith from Melbourne down the gallery. Another pack of base. So we're sort of heading down the stretch now, home stretch now. Down the gallery of Collingwood, there's Fothergill. Pack of base cards. We've got 6 or 7 packs to go. All-Australian Hawthorn forward Jared Ruffhead. Okay. Getting close to the end of the 36 packs. Brownlow Gallery, Vincent Tilda, Ryan Gleeson. Pile's getting pretty high here. Obviously, there's a lot of cards, but also the cards are quite thick. Certainly thicker than the Champions release. Here we go, got a sketch card of Hawthorn, Kelly Tots, John Button, 1987 Brownlow Medalist. Good card. Not a lot to collect for Hawthorn in this series, so it's one of their favourite. Vaughan Smith. Second last pack. So for those interested in getting a box of the honours for this release, it's certainly I think a vastly improved product from last year, you can click on the link below, or go to our website, Gary Ablett and the Sons. And the last pack. It's so nice if you could just get something super duper in this last pack. Signature on it. Oh, okay. Okay. Robert Harvey. So, yeah, nice way to finish. Thanks very much for your time and watching, and yeah, enjoy cards.